like you are not being productive, the first step you can take is put your phone down. I did not choose the procrastination life. It chose me. And I'm pretty sure it chose you too. That's why you clicked on this video. Hey friend, it's Tashina and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna get a little vulnerable, okay? I have not been feeling productive or motivated lately. And I want to change that. Like, I can notice it in my actions. I notice it in the space around me. It just seems cluttered, just like my mind. So we're gonna fix that. Well, not fix it. We're just gonna get through it together, if you will. Today's video is actually going to be a vlog because, like I said, we're getting through it together, and I can't do it without y'all. That's not together. That's just you and I. I watched a video on how to like exit your lazy girl era, and one of the tips was to declutter your space. That is something that I have been procrastinating on, just getting rid of stuff. Like, it's not that hard, but sometimes you just go on in life and you forget until it's just too much stuff to deal with. One space that I know for a fact I need to clean out is my car. I know it's hot outside, but we need to go stop procrastinating on getting this car done. And to check my privilege, some of my viewers, y'all may not have cars. The goal is to just declutter a space in your home. It could be your bedroom, it could be your closet, it could be, just let it be a space that you spend the most time in. Do that first, and I promise you'll feel better. Like, just seeing the room clear is going to add a certain clarity to your mind to where you can figure out what to do next. Listen, I know what I said about getting things done, but it is so freaking hot out here that I'm not gonna last long. Here is what the front looks like in the driver's seat, and then in the back, honestly, it's not a whole lot of stuff in here. So raise your hand if you did not know it was going to be 94 degrees outside. Y'all, when I tell y'all I sped through cleaning and washing the inside of that car just so, because it's too hot, I don't do heat. My mom called me and she was like, "What are you doing outside?" And I was like, "I know, right? You know I don't do heat. I get parched." So I got me a little mango lemonade, and this is an incentive. It's an incentive. It's a little motivation to get me through my to-do list without feeling bad. Like, it's just a treat. It's just a little treat. I'm kind of hungry, and I didn't want to buy food because I just made groceries, girl. I'm gonna make me a little sandwich, watch a little TV, and then get back to cleaning. Okay, friends, so we have decluttered a space. We also incentivize ourselves to get through the hard task, which was staying outside in the heat. I guess the first thing I should have told you guys was to make a to-do list, because that was on my to-do list. However, I do have other things on my to-do list. So I want to clean another space in my apartment. I want to do some content planning and emails that I've been procrastinating on. And honestly, I think that's it as far as that's on my to-do list. So as long as you have your to-do list, you have a set agenda of what you want to get accomplished in the day, you can kind of just go through, check off things, and once you check them off, it's kind of like visual representation of you being productive. Literally, that's it, babe. And if you need to stop to eat lunch and watch a little TV show, you can definitely do that as long as you get stuff done. You know I like when you're ready to talk. Shoot your name in the yo-yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. If I got a feeling, I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a petty cause I don't. Honestly, I'm glad I made a video. Of course, I am happy I made a video. But I'm glad that I make this video into a vlog so y'all could actually see what I'm talking about, okay? What did I show y'all last? What was the last tip? Yeah, I think the last tip was to make a to-do list or something, girl. The last tip was to make a to-do list and just complete whatever is on your list, just so you feel like you accomplished something. The next thing I want to say is what I just did. If you feel like you are not being productive, the first step you can take is put your phone down. Put your phone down, throw it away. Sometimes I get so caught and like trapped into TikTok that I get like this ugh, and then like kind of throw my phone. Like, girl, there is something you could be doing right now. So if you get rid of your phone, I can guarantee that you're gonna realize there is something better or something more productive that you could be doing right now. Time out. I want to say this. You don't have to be productive 24/7, but if you know that you have not done anything within the last 3 days, then that's something that we're working on, okay? These steps are not supposed to be implemented into every day, but you can implement these tips into small areas into your life and kind of, they call it habit stacking, and like kind of stack it on top of each other so you'll know how much you can do this day and maybe chill the next day. The next thing, you should have a routine. In the morning, instead of scrolling on your phone, have a cute little morning routine where you get up, maybe you go for a walk, maybe you make your coffee, or maybe you focus on getting your mind prepped for work. That's something so easy you could do and feel better about yourself rather than scrolling on a phone or just laying there. I promise you, you're gonna feel better. I promise you. I'm saying promise because I do it. Like, I feel so much better about myself when I just get up and do something. Just don't lay there. Get a meal, a balanced breakfast in the morning. That's literally all it takes to make a better decision, to make a better day. Or you can do some kind of self-care because you have to take care of yourself. And I think you'd be more excited to do it if you know it's for yourself. I actually need to do my hair. I've been procrastinating doing my hair, and I've just been throwing wigs on for the past month and a half. So today we're gonna tackle it. I'm not gonna show you the bit by bit process because I want to make a full video dedicated to my hair, but I'm gonna just let you guys in on the process of it. Today's the last day for these braids, y'all. I've had them in for 2 months. 2 months. It's time to get rid of them. I knew this process was gonna take forever and a day, but these products are helping me get through. My hair was dirty. That's why I clarified like 3 times, and then I used a hydrating conditioner. I also let the deep conditioner sit in just for a little bit longer. She needs all the strength she can get. For styling, I normally do a wash and go, but I don't know. I miss my little twist. I miss having my little twist in my hair. I also love twists because you get 2 hairstyles in one. So I'm gonna wear my twist for a few days, then my twist out for a few more days, and then we'll be back on washing again. And the feeling of finally finishing and putting the oil in your hair, unmatched.
She looks like the girl of mine. Devil in a dress, angel in some nightmares. I could have sworn I went to sleep and she was right here. Don't know if I seen her in my dreams or my nightmares.
Just finished my hair. Quite literally just finished my hair. Even though I worked on it all day yesterday, I just could not finish. Something in me told me to stop. Like, girl, it's okay. Finish in the morning. So what I did, I stopped, made me some dinner, sat and watched my favorite show on Roku. Had a Roku TV. Didn't know Roku had a channel that you can watch free stuff on. Did not know that. So that's what I did last night. This morning I woke up on a fresh start. And here we are. Here we are. I know we're trying to be like productive and get up and do the things that you need to be doing, but girl, sometimes you have to take a break. Sometimes you need a treat and sometimes you need a break. The progress was made, and that's really all that matters. Just don't keep pushing things off because that could just make it worse. Or it's gonna get to the point where it gets overwhelming and you need to call in backup. Truth be told, I kind of wish I did go to the hair salon. I just feel so drained. Oh my goodness, but I'm happy. Like, I'm cute. My hair is so cute. My bye, fat. But yeah, girl. Hopefully this video motivated you to jumpstart your exodus out of your lazy girl era or out of your procrastination era. And I'm gonna warn you, take it slow, sis. Take it slow, because if you try to do too much at once, it's not gonna work. You're gonna feel like you're trying too hard to be too perfect, and it's gonna flop. It's gonna fail, it's gonna flop, and you're gonna be looking for another video to restart, which is nothing wrong with that. Like, there's nothing wrong with restarting, but I'm just warning you, don't go too far too fast. Anyway, that's all I have for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next upload. Hopefully we're doing something productive together. Peace. Bye.